So the logo type was actually supposed to be on this book. Like 400 pages, I did the art direction. It's jeans, demi cover, and the beauty of the artwork is amazing. And this is how I made the logo type. It's the typeface is actually made from posters from this in between the two world wars in Germany. And I put it everywhere. And it's very interesting to see it when it becomes big. This is the art museum, and it always makes me scared when I see my typefaces large. Because that's not really how I design it. Some of you may be making posters for each of your glyphs, but I don't do that, no. And this is the logo type, some of them that were gonna be displayed. So a typeface can actually work in another way, where it's not like a logo type that is fixed. It's not always the same. And I did have fun with playing with just the small bits and the parts. And this actually triggered that I actually like to play around with shapes that are not really type shapes, that could be cut and paste and mixed, and what expressions does it give you. So I think I have a few more minutes before you come on the stage. So at the moment, I will leave this type industry, things that I do, and I thought I would just say that anybody who wants to do typefaces could always start with a small project and find an identity. It has